That's a great question, and that's one that people fumble on all the time. Often I have clients or potential clients that I speak with who have been in an accident, a motor vehicle accident that was associated with work, and they had no idea it was a covered workers' compensation claim. So to back up and go at the question again, the answer is, of course, it depends. But often it's going to be covered. When would it be covered? Under the workers' compensation statute. It's going to be covered if you need your car as part of your job. Say you are in a position where you might drive to work, but then you take your car and you go about to other places throughout the course of the day. It's going to be covered if you're injured being transported by the employer. It's going to be covered if it's in the middle of the day and you had to go somewhere, say there's an off-site meeting. I realize Zoom and remote work gets rid of some of these things, but we still need to drive around as part of our jobs. You're a delivery person and you're driving your van to deliver product to a customer, and a drunk driver comes around the corner and crashes into you. That's a classic example of a work-related car accident. Now, when I say work-related, that's going to entitle you to workers' compensation benefits. You've also had a personal injury. And what I mean by that is if a drunk driver crashes into you when you are delivering product in your work van, you can collect work comp benefits, but you can also sue that drunk driver for negligence because it's negligent to drive drunk and crash into people. If that happens, you're going to have a separate lawsuit. So you're going to have two things going on. You're going to have a workers' compensation claim against your employer for the work-related aspect of the motor vehicle accident. You're also going to have a separate liability claim against the driver of the other vehicle if they were at fault. This is an area where you're going to want a good lawyer. You're going to want to reach out if you have a question. Again, reaching out to Mottaz Sisk Injury Law is a smart thing to do, or some other competent attorney who understands and can differentiate. Yes, this is work-related. No, it's not, because this is often missed. I will have people get referred to me months after an accident, and they will say to me, I had no idea it was work-related. My employer didn't know it was work-related. Finally, my neighbor said, you should go talk to a work comp lawyer. So don't be shy or reticent about doing that, because you may find, yes, that set of circumstances is covered by the workers' compensation statute. Conversely, there's a whole group of automobile accidents that don't get properly reported as work-related injuries. So don't be shy about reaching out to a competent work comp attorney to find out if your suspected work-related automobile accident is covered by the workers' compensation statute. It may very well be covered.